First two questions on here are just checks of your knowledge. So you can see that both of them are multiple choice. The first one asks you to choose two correct answers, and the question is about which of the following statements about place and space are true. So you should refer back to your definitions of place that you'll have from your very first lesson notes. The second question is about insider and outsider perspectives of place. And again, for the second question, you're looking to select two statements which are correct. The third question is about the concept of placelessness, and you'll again find some notes about this in your notes from lesson 4 of the Changing Places topic. And you really need to make sure that for 5 marks you're defining what placelessness is, but also explaining what it means. It's really useful as well if you can give an example of the sort of place that might be defined as placeless, or that which doesn't have meaning. So in this question, you're going to make sure you define what placelessness is. Secondly, you're going to make sure that you explain why it happens. And also think about the link there between placelessness and globalization, for example. And then if you can, give an example of somewhere that could be described as being placeless. The last question, which is an 8-mark question, is based around how meaning is attached to places. And in the last question, you'll be expected to talk about what you know as the tripartite model, which of course has 3 sections, which are person, place, and process. And in order to get all 8 marks in this question, you'll need to make sure you make reference to each of those. In addition, when you're explaining, as with the previous question, if you can give an example within your answer, that would help you to gain credit.